In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a watch list of Binance futures coins on Tradingview. Whether you're a seasoned trader or new to the market, having a watch list helps you keep a closer eye on the futures you're interested in. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you are fully equipped to keep up with those fast-moving markets. So, let's jump right in. First, you need to either open the TradingView app or head over to tradingview.com on your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's worth taking a few minutes to set one up, as TradingView is one of the most popular charting platforms available to traders. Once you're logged in, you're ready to create a watch list. On TradingView, look towards the bottom panel. Here you'll find the watch list tab. Click on this tab, which will be your go-to section for managing and viewing all the futures you're tracking. Once you're in the watch list section, you'll notice a plus button that allows you to add symbols. Click this button to start building your list of Binance futures coins. Now for the exciting part, adding the actual futures pairs. Begin typing the symbol for a Binance futures pair that you're interested in. For example, if you're keen on tracking Bitcoin against Tether as a perpetual future, you would type in BTCUSDT. As you type, you'll see a list of options appear. Select the correct pair from this list to add it to your watch list, and just like that you have your first pair added. But don't stop there. A well-rounded watch list should include multiple pairs to ensure you have a comprehensive understanding of the market movements. Simply repeat this step to add as many Binance futures coins as you like. This could include popular pairs like ETHUSDT.P for Ethereum or any other futures you're focusing on. Once you've added the desired futures pairs, you might want to organize your watch list. TradingView allows you to rename your watch list to keep things tidy and easy to navigate. To do this, locate the three dots at the top of the watch list panel, click on them and choose the rename option. This way you can give your watch list a name that reflects its content or purpose, such as Binance Futures or Crypto Radar. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you can create a tailored watch list of Binance Futures coins on TradingView, setting you up to monitor and respond to market changes swiftly. This watchlist will become an invaluable tool in your trading arsenal, helping you to stay focused and organized. Thanks for following along with me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in getting you set up quickly and efficiently. Happy trading!